Yo, what's going on? Today we are working on a 07 to 012 Nissan Sentra Spec B SER. This has a 2.5 engine in it. There's two common problems I've seen on these vehicles. The installs are very straightforward. We have a motor mount, upper mount problem that always rips apart, and also an oil cooler that's down below behind the block that always leaks. They're very straightforward. Watch the tutorial how to take it apart. All right. Another problem we see here with these motor mounts is this top one always falls apart. Although it is easy to fall off, it's also easy to take out. There's a 17mm bolt is here, in here, unbolt that, slide it out, slide it in, and you're pretty much done to go. Alright, since we got the unit out, so I wanted to show you where all the nuts and bolts are. There's 4 10mm bolts on the very top side here. Unbolt that, unbolt there to get access to this gasket here. Obviously this is the problem that we're facing with this gasket. It gets dry rotted, so oil leaks out of here. But prior to that, there's also 4 more bolts here that are held by 12mm here, and here. And don't forget to unclip your oil pressure clip here. Once that's undone, unbolt it, take the piece out, replace your gasket, and slide it right back out.